In related news, over 1,000 private elementary and high schools have been allowed to implement tuition fee increases this coming school year. The full report from Dina Pagibitan.
Only 1,031 of the 1,193 private schools that applied for tuition fee increases will be allowed to hike such fees for school year 2013-2014. 92 were disapproved by DepEd as they were unable to comply with the requirements, while 70 are still pending.
Kailangan meron munang consultation with the parents, no? Bago natin payagan yan. Tapos papakita nila kasi kung ano muna yung pangangailangan nila para doon sa pag-increase. Nandito na nga yung salary of teachers, mga facilities, yun yung mga basihan eh. Kasi yun rin yung basis natin para i-approve eh. Doon sa hindi na-aprobahan, either hindi reasonable yung mga request nila, no? O kaya meron silang nakalimutan, hindi nagkaroon ng wider consultation with the parents.
70% of the tuition fee hikes will go to the salaries of teachers, 20% for the improvement of school facilities and equipment, while the remaining 10% will go to school profit or income. Among the 17 regions, the Metro Manila has the biggest number of private schools implementing the tuition fee increase this school year. Assistant Secretary Tony Umali says, while the department has no power to regulate private schools, they can also impose inquiries.
Tayo nagbibigay kasi ng permit to operate o kaya recognition, no? May pina-follow. Ngayon, kung ang usapin naman tungkol sa mga inclusion din tayong say dyan.
ASEC Umali appealed to parents not to see the implementation of tuition fee increase as negative aspect.
Huwag natin dapat tignan yung yung ini-spend natin sa eskwelahan na gastos. Kasi investment yan sa kinabukasan ng mga anak nila eh. Diba? Ngayon, merong option naman yan eh. Kung hindi nila talaga kaya doon sa private school, handa naman ang public school natin.
For People's Television, Dina Pagibitan.